So as of your requirement, I had created the data set here with four type of classes, like female with conception, female and normal, male with conception, and male with normal. I get your data set for the training, and I am using convolutional neural network to train the data. I imported the path of the data and I started the training. Once the training has been started, it giving you whatever the classes we are having here, and based on that what type of format of the file which we are using and how many data are presented here. As of now, not yet completed the training part. Once the training is over, we are creating this model.hf file. By using this train model only, we are getting the output that based on the voice which we are giving as input. So right now I am going to execute this app.py file. So I am copying this path and I'm opening anaconda command prompt here. So once it is open, so cd space d drive. So right now I'm using here a Steamlight application to execute the project. So Steamlight run app.py. It will provide you a localhost address, and whatever the browser we are choosing, it will proceed here. Okay. So right now I'm going to record the voice. Hi, how are you? What are you doing here? It's providing you the male normal. Hi, how are you? How are you feeling? I am not feeling good. I am not feeling good. So it is not recognizing the voice. So the text can't able to assign before what I speak. Okay. I am not feeling good. It's providing the outputs. So based on the voice input, it providing you the output.